This is your domain. I can feel its magic even from here. Soft and steady, like the heartbeat of the forest itself. No wonder you have thrived here. It's untouched by the chaos of the world outside. It's been too long since I've stood in a place like this. Ancient trees, rich earth. This is no ordinary forest. And you, its guardian, you don't just live here, you belong here. It's in your scent, in the way the leaves seem to stir when you pass. This place recognizes you as its own. I can see why you'd want to protect it, and why you've offered to share it with me. My home was nothing like this. It was high and harsh, carved into cliffs overlooking the sea. The winds there howled through the crags, carrying the salt of the ocean and the chill of the storms. It was raw, wild, untamed, just as we were. My family, we were fierce, proud and unyielding, as relentless as the storms that shaped our homes. Those cliffs held generations of my kin. We etched our stories into the stone. Victories, losses, moments of triumph and despair. Each mark told of our place in the world, a testament to who we were. And now, all of it is gone. Not just the cliffs, but the history carved into them. The humans took it all. They took everything. They called it progress, expansion. Their need, they said, was greater than ours. They tore down the cliffs to build their walls, poisoned the sea to fuel their machines. They came in numbers I couldn't even begin to count. And though I fought with everything I had, it wasn't enough. For every machine I destroyed, 10 more came. For every wall I shattered, they rebuilt it stronger. They even learned to harness the winds, twisting the very storms we called our allies into weapons against us. It was as if the land itself turned on me. And now, these wounds, they cling to me like shadows. Human weapons may lack the elegance of dragon fire, but they carry a cruelty all their own. This pain, it lingers, deep and unyielding. What are you? What is this? Your magic, it's unlike anything I've felt before. It's not fire or stone. It feels alive, like the forest itself flowing through me. It's soothing, gentle. The pain is fading, replaced by warmth, as if the earth itself cradles me. You're a healer, aren't you? A forest dragon born of the earth's magic. I should have seen it sooner. The way this place resonates with you. You are the heart of this sanctuary, its protector and its lifeblood. My kind never knew such magic. We were creatures of fire, of storms and rage. Healing was foreign to us. If we fell, we rose again through sheer will, or we didn't rise at all. But this, your magic doesn't demand. It doesn't take. It gives. It mends. How is this possible? It's strange. I've spent my life believing strength meant destruction. The power to take, to conquer. But your magic, it feels stronger than any flame I've ever wielded. It doesn't scorch or break. It restores. It reminds me that even in the ashes, life can grow anew. The burning is gone. The ache that clung to me for so long. It's as though it was never there. Your magic has reached places I thought lost to pain forever. Thank you, truly. I don't know if I've ever felt this way before. You've shown me a strength I never thought possible. But that doesn't come from fire or claws, but from compassion, from the will to heal rather than destroy. You are unlike any dragon I have ever known. This place, this magic, it's more than a sanctuary. It's a testament to who you are. The life that flourishes here is an extension of you, isn't it? Your essence flows through the tree, the earth, the wind. This forest lives because you do. And now, I feel as though I've been touched by that very same life. I wonder what my ancestors would think of me now. A dragon of fire and storms, mended by the magic of earth. They might call it weakness, but I don't care. Strength isn't what I thought it was. Not anymore. Perhaps I could learn from you. I spent my life as a creature of fire and rage. But here, I feel something different. The fire within me burns softer now, tempted by the calm of this place. Maybe in time, I could belong here, too. I won't be a burden of that. You have my word. This place is precious to you, and I will protect it as fiercely as I protected my cliffs. Your forest may not need a guardian of fire, but I'll stand with you nonetheless. Together, we can keep this sanctuary safe from the chaos of the outside world. I may not have my cliffs, my sea, or my stars, but I have this. I have you, and for now, that is more than enough.